Well, ConocoPhilips is at the St. Petersburg International Economic Forum. It is underway today. Bloomberg's Ellen Pinchuk is covering the event. She joins us now with the CEO of ConocoPhilips. Ellen.
That's right, and he would be James Mulva, who just came off the panel called The Price of Oil. So we're going to start with that. Thanks so much for being with us. So what are your predictions for the price of oil and natural gas for this year?
Well, we're not very good at predictions, but I would say I think the marketplace expects that oil price would be about where it is at this point in time, and many people think with expectations and hopefully development of the economy, we start moving up towards $70, $75 oil price.
How are you adjusting your plans as we see the oil price?
We're not adjusting our plans because we don't look just at the short term. We look out over many years and our committed capital spend. So we, longer term, look at an oil price somewhere around the $70. So we're not adjusting our capital spending plans.
What is your production outlook?
Our production outlook for our company is 1.8 million BOE a day. That excludes our ownership interest in Lukoil. And so far this year, we're doing probably a little bit better than 1.8 million BOE a day.
Speaking of Lukoil, do you think that there is a market in the U.S. for Russian gas?
Well, at this point in time, of course, you got to look out the longer term. Russia has a great deal of gas, and obviously it's a marketplace for LNG that Russia would like to be looking towards North America. Natural gas is, such a clean fossil fuel, and it's an efficient fuel, and it's something that at some point in time, I think the marketplace will be there for Russian gas in North America.
Let's talk about Iraq for a moment. Will you bid with Lukoil on West Kurna 1?
Well, we're interested. We're talking with Lukoil. We're talking with other companies, forming groups, and what we may be bidding on some of the opportunities for the first round in Iraq. And we're assuming that that's going to go forward, but I think it's premature and probably not appropriate for me to get into just how we'll handle that.
They're saying a bid coming maybe the end of June?
That's the plan, is that the first round will come in late in June.
How are negotiations going with Venezuela in terms of your loss of assets there?
Well, we continue to proceed on a parallel path. First, we work through ICSID and the World Bank. That's through the arbitration proceeding. And that continues to go right according to the schedule, but that's a multi-year approach. And then we do work and talk with PDVSA with respect to can we find a way to settle this in an amicable way, but so far we haven't been able to.
When will ConocoPhillips be able to make acquisitions again?
Well, first of all, we've got so many things that we're doing from our organic growth of our company that's really where our emphasis is going to be, is to fund our growth program of organic growth. And then to the extent that the marketplace gives us more cash flow, I think we'll be looking at reducing our debt and increasing our dividend distributions.
What is your outlook on refineries? You just yes or no? Are you expecting some refineries to close?
Well, with respect to the refineries, I think some of the smaller, less sophisticated refineries will probably shut down over time.
Okay, thank you very much. That was James Mulva, the Chief Executive of ConocoPhillips. We're going to send it back to you now in New York.
Ellen, thanks so much.